Here's how to zoom out in Leonardo AI. Click on the image that you want to zoom out. Now, click on the unzoom button. This will take 5 tokens. To view the zoom out image, click here, and then select unzoom image. If the unzoomed image is distorted, you can delete and unzoom again. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Let's Not Waste Time. If you want to know how to remove background from an image in Leonardo AI, check this video. I'll see you there.